What's up, guys? Today we're going to show you how to wire two batteries and still have 12 volts and how to wire two batteries to get 24 volts. Really, this is going to be the difference between parallel and series of how we wire these batteries. For parallel, you just think of parallel lines. We'll take our first wire, run it from our first battery to our second battery, and then run this wire out to our accessory positive. Then we'll take our negative, connect it to our second battery negative, and then out to a ground or our negative on our accessory. Now to get series, we'll run our positive of our first battery to our negative of our second, and then we'll run our positive from our second battery to the positive on our accessory, and we'll run the negative from our first battery to the negative or the ground on our accessory. This is going to give you two different results. This wiring diagram will give you 12 volts at 200 amp hours. This will give you 24 volts at 100 amp hours. So it gives you more power, but for half the time.